Welcome to session 4 of our class. This week, you will be working on 3 assignments that you're going to reflect on with some of our readings, and you're also going to be commenting on discussions with your classmates. First, take your own notes about the pertinent ideas in the 2 readings. Write a paragraph for each set of reading notes to reflect on how the key ideas from each author are applied or are lacking in American schools today. Draw on your own background knowledge as a student, your experience as a classroom teacher, or maybe in your internship or coaching or tutoring sessions, or in general examples from contemporary educational settings as you reflect on these applications. Click on the Submit Assignment button on the top right corner to come up with a box that you can type in or where you can attach your notes. Click at the bottom of the page on the Submit Assignment button once your notes are finished and you are ready to turn them in for grading. The reading discussion group this week will also be having an online conversation, which will include me as the instructor, about your thoughts on how all of the authors that you've read so far in this course have powerful insights to contribute to contemporary issues relevant to education in our country. The authors you can reference in this discussion are Spring, Socrates, Freire, Dewey, and the Ayres brothers. This discussion allows for threaded comments so that you can respond to the thoughts of others in your group and to continue the conversation about various points you find interesting. This discussion will be graded for 3 points as described in the rubric within the assignment on Canvas as well as within the syllabus. Click on the reading discussion group to which you belong to make sure that you're contributing to the correct discussion. Your reading discussion group members are listed if you click on the People link on the left sidebar of Canvas and you look along the top menu when it opens up for reading discussion groups. You can make sure you have the right people in your group. Again, the final assignment this week is one that spans from sessions 3 to session 7 of this class. You will be posting your oral launch of a video, like a TED Talk, about an issue about which you feel passionate with current educational issues or challenges that we face. Each of the weeks during which you don't post your own video, you'll be participating in the ongoing discussions about 2 or more of your classmates' TED Talk launches from their videos. For example, if you signed up to post your TED Talk video this week during session 4, you'll be responding to the thread in your own discussion as people post their ideas and questions. In the other weeks, sessions 3, 5, 6, and 7, you'll just be one of the people responding to at least 2 other video launches from classmates. Details around the expectations for this assignment are explained in the rubric that's part of the assignment when you click it open, and it's also explained in the syllabus which is located in the top box, the introductory resources box of this Canvas site. Remember, everything you posted within this assignment will still be accessed through session 3 of this course. So for this week and the others after this session, everyone will still need to continue checking back on the box on Canvas that is located in session 3 in which to post your videos and comments within this TED Talk assignment. Have a wonderful week.